In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the day of the week start in Tableau. If you're ready to customize your data views to better suit your needs, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make those changes together step by step. To begin, you'll need to open up the Tableau public app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Tableau website, download the installer, and set up the application. Tableau Public is a powerful free data visualization tool, and getting comfortable with it can significantly enhance your data analysis skills. Once you have the application open, your screen should display a dashboard with several options. Next, you want to access the worksheet where your data is located. If this is your first time opening Tableau, you can load a sample worksheet, or if you have existing projects, navigate to your specific file. This crucial step is where you'll make edits and apply changes. Now, let's find the precise sheet you want to change. The interface should show a list of your available sheets on the left-hand side. Click on the sheet that contains the data requiring a new week start day. It's essential to ensure you're on the right sheet to avoid making unnecessary changes. On the left side of your Tableau window, you'll see a section labeled Data. This is where your data source is located. Carefully locate your data source because this is the key to successfully modifying your date properties. Spotting your data source is relatively straightforward within the data pane, which provides a comprehensive list of all your connected data sets. Now, with the data source identified, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with several options, enabling you to access various settings related to your data. From this menu, one of the options you'll see is Date Properties. Go ahead and select that option. These properties are crucial because they allow you to manipulate how dates are displayed and configured in your reports and visualizations. Once inside the Date Properties menu, you'll find a setting labeled Week Start. This is where you can select the day you wish to designate as the start of your week. By default, many systems set Sunday or Monday as the starting day, but depending on your project's needs, you might prefer Tuesday or Wednesday, for instance. Choose the day that best aligns with your data analysis objectives. After you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. These changes will reflect all related visualizations and computations by resetting the week's starting day to your chosen preference. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the start day of the week in your Tableau worksheet. This minor tweak can make a big difference in how your data stories unfold. Feel free to explore further customization options to enhance your Tableau projects even more. Thanks for tuning in.